Hey guys, welcome back to Daddy Jeep Garage. This week we're doing something a little different. We're not working on a Jeep, we're working on this ginormous boat of a 1970 Chrysler Newport. So what we're doing to the boat here is we're putting on a brand new exhaust. The old exhaust, I'll show you here in a second, is trash. It's all brand new, but so whoever put it together did an absolutely terrible job. Probably the worst I've ever seen. So we're going to try to do a little bit better of a job. We've got one of these kits with all these nice mandrel bends. We got the U-shapes. We got some 45s. So we're going to piece together an exhaust using actual good new steel, which I know that's pretty different for me. I usually use old junk myself. But we're going to use brand new steel, nice bends, and as per any 70s car, we're going to use some cherry bombs. So we're going to go ahead and get this much better. It's going to be sounding sweet. Can't wait to get it done and do some burnouts. So let's start back here at the tailpipe, which dumped right in front of the rear tires. It's not too terrible here. We've got some booger welding going on here. A little short chunks, some more booger welding, some more short piece, more booger welding, an even shorter piece, more booger welding, a little cherry bomb with some more boogers. And then as we get to the front, that's where things really start getting weird. Look at this garbage. Kinked pipes. It's just terrible. We actually cut a piece off there that was kinked even worse. So this is what we were starting with. I'm sure we can make an improvement on that. So I skipped all this. I didn't get any footage of this for you guys, but you can figure it out. So we've got our manifold up there. We cut the flange off the old pipe. We have a bunch of bends snaking around this torsion spring. Halfway decent welds. I've been doing some welding. Brendon's been learning some welding. So any of the bad welds have to be Brendon's. Okay, so this weld right here that looks pretty good, that's Brendon's too. So that's not too bad. So again, snaking around to the center, running through by the drive shaft, and that's as far as we have so far. We've got two true dual pipes, relatively symmetrical, huge improvement over the previous pipes, and we stepped up to 2.5 inch. The old stuff was anywhere from 1 7/8 inches out to maybe 2 1/8. So she's gonna breathe a whole lot better and she's gonna sound a whole lot better. Okay, so fabrication is done. I didn't show a lot of it. It's just cutting and fitting and welding, but here is the routing of the exhaust. We got our cherry bombs. Actually, I think they're Thrush turbo or Thrush glass packs, right?
Yes, they are.
Then we're going up over the axle on both sides. And then we're going straight out the back underneath the frame rails. We still have to trim the pipes up on the back. But yeah, she's gonna make some noise now. All right, it's time to hear what this thing sounds like. Yeah. Way better.
She is so quiet. Oh my God, Rob!
That sounds so much better. Give her the beans.